You're trusting them more.
It's good to delegate.
It's good to delegate, but what does delegate mean? To delegate means to give someone else part of your work or some of your responsibilities.
Let somebody else handle it. Delegate.
We delegate to people.
Delegate more to your teams.
We delegate responsibilities.
Shelley needs to learn how to delegate responsibility.
We delegate tasks. This job description states the lead chef can delegate tasks to the kitchen staff. Celebrity chef Gordon Ramsay loves delegating.
Delegate.
I need you to delegate, please.
You have got to start delegating.